Welcome to you all. Imagine this, you've just installed Kali Linux, thrilled to explore ethical hacking. But wait, you're still using the default username and password, Kali and Kali. Think about it, how secure is your system if someone gains access? In our previous video, we covered how to install Kali Linux step by step. If you haven't seen that, check it out first. Today, I'll show you how to create your own user ID in Kali Linux. Let's get started. Now, we're on the desktop. Let's open Kali Linux. It might take a little time to load, so let's wait patiently. Currently, we're using the default username and password, which are both Kali. Let's log in. Now that we're on the Kali Linux desktop, it's time to take control. First, open the terminal. This is where the magic happens. To create a new user, start by typing this command, sudo useradd m followed by your chosen username. For example, let's use cyberghost007. Once you've typed it, hit enter. Since we're using sudo, you'll be prompted to enter your password. The current password is still Kali. Don't worry, we'll change it soon. Now, set a new password for your user by typing password, sorry, I meant sudo password, followed by your username. Hit enter and choose a secure password, something unique and memorable. Next, type the command sudo usermod sudo followed by your username. This command ensures that your new user can execute administrative tasks. Finally, we'll set the shell environment. Enter sudo chshs/bin/bash followed by your username. This ensures your user has the right shell to execute commands seamlessly. Log out of your default Kali account and log in with your new username and password. This is where the transformation happens. Congratulations! You now have a secure, personalized account on Kali Linux. If you ever need to change your password, just open the terminal, type password, hit enter, and follow the prompts to set a new, secure password. Want to personalize your desktop? Right-click, go to Desktop Settings, and choose a wallpaper that inspires your cybersecurity journey. That's it for today. In the next video, we'll explore the top 5 ethical hacking tools for beginners. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.